All right, some advice. Really, you just want to check out this new code because we did a very just stupid refactor. Just find, replace, find, replace, find, replace. But for consistency, I'll go over all the changes very quickly. But this is not a video to learn from. So you are here. We're going to go over the changes really quick. And I mean really fucking quick. Like, this is not something to work off of. We're just going to go through the changes because fuck this shit. It took forever. It took 2 hours. So I really just check out the code. Just check out the new code, because fuck this shit. Do you really want to refactor all those points that I just refactored? So refactored, and let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we gotta go fast. So we refactored a whole bunch of shit. Like I said, do not try to follow along. I'm just, look, like, all this shit, fuck this shit. Like, why would you want to put yourself through this? There's nothing to learn from here. It was just a simple find and replace of names, and we even did it in the comments. And the #1 priority is code that works. Readability is good, so refactoring is good, but we're risking our #1 priority because there's so many places we could have broke the code. And so this was stressful. This was stressful as hell. I had to look at every single goddamn point I refactored and renamed to make absolutely sure I didn't break anything. Absolutely sure. And yeah, did not like this at all. I would just check out the new code. There's nothing to learn here. I mean, we can go over the little itinerary of the things I did, right? It was just a basic find and replace. So with our refactoring, you know, this to this, that to that. So instead of S4X, S4Y, it's F4X for 4 set, you know, F4Y, F4 set, and then all these other miscellaneous changes, bin 4 to U25 class, etc. All this shit, it's stupid. It's stupid. There's really nothing to be learned from what I just did. We just refactored for readability, for consistency. Fuck this. I hate this. Just check out the code. Just check out the code. You can email me here. So anyways, you've been on video 275, and a like, subscribe, send money in the mail.